शुरू हुई पेंसिलों की दौड़ और जीत गई बॉन्डेड लेड वाली पेंसिल नटराज।
नटराज पेंसिल।
Good evening. Welcome to a special bulletin of Gold News.
We wish our viewers a happy 1980. This bulletin is a recap of all the major events that passed us in the last decade.
In 1970, Bajaj Automobiles celebrated a count of 1 lakh vehicles on road. Pakistan surrendered in the 1971 Indo-Pak War. This Bangladesh Liberation War panned from December 3rd to December 16th. It was initiated by Pakistan when they threatened to harm the Hindu population in East Pakistan area. Here's a file interview.
This war is an example for all the neighboring nations. We expect the peace, but Indians are not afraid to go to war. We are mourning the loss of thousands of our soldier brothers. Civilian as well as the military personnel are receiving the medical care in the refugee camps set up in the northeastern part of the country.
After Pakistan surrendered in 1972, both nations signed a Shimla Treaty. In 1973, Indian Forest Ministry launched its Save the Tiger campaign to protect the remaining 1800 tigers. The ministry conducted a survey which revealed that more than 40,000 tigers died at the turn of 20th century.
For centuries, hunting tigers has been considered as an adventure sport by the royalty in India. Britishers have also killed these giant cats for their benefit. 40,000 tigers were alive during 19th century. Recent survey by the Forest Ministry revealed that only 1800 tigers are now left in the jungles of India. This report has made the government launch Save the Tiger campaign. The campaign aims at creating awareness and sensitivity towards tigers among the citizens. This campaign discourages poaching, so there is fine and imprisonment for anyone involved in killing tigers.
India detonated its second nuclear weapon in Pokhran, Rajasthan. India became the 6th nation to do so in 1974. In 1975, India witnessed a state of emergency under President Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed and Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. In the same year, Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO launched its first successful space satellite, Aryabhatta. Here's a file interview of a project manager who worked on the space satellite, Aryabhatta.
Aryabhatta is a milestone in the history of Indian space research. I am proud to have assisted Vikram Sarabhai in his dream project. Vikram Sarabhai will be remembered for his contribution to ISRO. ISRO took help from Soviet Union for this project. However, we plan to become independent satellite launchers in future.
In 1976, Sanjay Gandhi launched a program that included vasectomy of thousands of men and tubal litigation of women. In the following years, the family planning campaign received criticism due to its rigorous implementation. In 1977, the first non-Congress government gained power after the defeat of Indira Gandhi. Morarji Desai was elected as the Prime Minister by voters across the country.
In 1978, Air India Flight 855 crashed into the Arabian Sea shortly after its takeoff from Bombay. All 213 passengers on board died. In 1979, Mandal Commission was officially set up by the President. The commission aims at including other backward classes under the reservation category.
The last decade witnessed the demise of many important people who had contributed in the field of music, sports, education, science, arts, and film industry. Let us go down the memory lane and pay respect to these legends.
Now we bring you the entertainment section. 1970s was a decade that proved differently in the filmmaking era. These super-hit films won hearts in the 70s.
धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए
Out of all the films that were released in the last decade, Sholay surprised every person associated with films in 1975. Let's see what the viewers had to say after a month of the release of the film. Here's a file interview.
जब शोले रिलीज़ हुई थी तो मुझे इतना इंटरेस्टिंग कंसेप्ट नहीं लगा, पर आज 1 महीने बाद जब मैं ये फिल्म देखने आया हूँ तो मस्त लगी। मैं आज अपना कॉलेज बंक करके आया हूँ और अगर मुझे दोबारा टिकट मिले तो मैं यहाँ पे ज़रूर आऊँगा। मुझे जय और वीरू की दोस्ती बहुत अच्छी लगी और मेरा फेवरेट डायलॉग है, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है बसंती?
We end our entertainment section here.
On January 1st, 1980, that's all from the studio in this special bulletin.
We once again wish the nation a happy new year.